Are you still struggling or did you give up? If you really want to speak English language, if you have started your journey of speaking English language, if you are the learner of English, so this video is only for you. Hey, I am Dev. Today I will tell you a very interesting thing about English speaker. As we know, English is everywhere. We need English in everywhere, right? So, everyone wants to speak English language. They start their journey to speak English language. They start their aim to speak English, right? They want to be a good speaker of English, right? And we are also like them. So we start our journey to speak English language. We start to search on YouTube how to speak English with quickly and fastly and fluently and easiest way. Then we get the videos, we watch the videos, we have a lot of videos and endless contents. We watch videos on daily basis and we start to do the practice. Then after consuming the videos and doing practicing around some days and weeks or months, we do not get result. We get discouragement and disappointment and we start to give up, right? It happens. But you cannot give up. You cannot give up. How can you give up? Just remember a thing. When we were young, when we were child, so when we were not able to speak Hindi, how much time did we take to learn Hindi? Did we speak Hindi from the 0 or 1 month or 1 year? No. We start to speak Hindi around 3 to 4 years we take, and after 4 years we were not able to speak well, right? We take a lot of time as we take, right? So how can you expect to yourself by doing practicing of English on 2 months, 3 months or 4 months or some weeks, you be the speaker of English? For be the speaker of English, for getting the knowledge of English, you have to go. You have to do that. You have to go through every single problem. You have to learn the English. You cannot give up. You cannot give up. It is an additional language. So how can we expect that we will learn English by the practicing of 2 or 3 months? How? Hindi is our mother tongue. How many years did we take? 3 to 4 years, right? So how can we expect that? Do we do practice? No. Do we have that much environment? No. How can we learn it? Do you know what? If you really want to learn English language, so you have to do practice. You have to show your consistency. You go in front of the mirror, just try to speak, make your environment of English and try to speak English language. Just focus on it. Just give whole hours of the day and do. Okay, I was talking about a very interesting thing of English speaker. That is, they did a lot hard work. They are not the speaker like this. They did a lot hard work. They have a lot environment. They have a lot person to talk. They talk. They just give their best. And then what? They spend whole time from morning till night. They just speak even when they sleep. They think in English. They speak English. Even they dream in English. They are crazy for English. If you have passion to learn English, so just be the crazy for learn English language. Just speak English language. Just be the crazy. And after some time, when you show your consistency, you will be the good speaker of English. Definitely. Just having a single thing, just a single thing, practice. Without it, no one can do anything. No one. Just do practice, nothing else. Have a great day. Bye. Practice continuously and you will be able to speak English language definitely, sooner or later. Just show your consistency, show your power. You can. I know you can. Just show your consistency and try to speak English and try to speak whole time in English. Now, this is one question: to whom we should communicate, right? Just create an imaginary partner and you can communicate with him 24 hours. Try to speak, make the and try to speak English. If you work harder, so English will pay you definitely. You will know how to speak English very fluently. Definitely. I know that. Now, I was